Okay, since this is a whole, we'll call this Frankenstein. We're just gonna do experiments. He always wanted to try. He was always wondered about that whole. If you took a piece of tape and you took a hammer, if it would cut itself. So hit it. And of course, he gave me the whole. What? No way! You guys know that dude? Okay.
Oh, dude, this is cool fun. I mean, it doesn't really work with this tape, but it works. It puts the imprint on it, on the metal. Make this 10 times easier.
Because what we do for an engine that we're not going to rebuild, of course, we're going to give it a good paint job. Are we going to paint it? Of course. Chevy orange. Okay, and we're doing one thing that, we're doing what you don't do with an old broken down old motor is you just put new paint on it, but we're putting new paint on it. We just happen to have the can, so that's what we're going to use. And we taped a little bit off on the bottom, but we're just using an old pan for this, and we're using a filter so we don't get paint in there. And we didn't replace any freeze plugs. We didn't do any of that. We're just giving her, and we're just using an old cover for a, yeah. So you guys are going to want to stick around for this. All right, smash that like button. So
once for dust, twice for rust.
Okay, so we're going to let this percolate. And okay, been a couple hours letting it percolate. And we are going to, basically, we're going to clean up a pan, clean up a timing cover, maybe use chrome, maybe use some chrome. All right, if you're here and you're watching, check out UncleBuckStuff.com for some merch. Like, share, subscribe, smash that button, hit that bell, tell your friends. Y'all be good. Okay, we had some lunch. It's been a couple hours. So we're going to pull this cover, put this over here. Oh, by the way, those are the heads we're going to use. They're just as nasty as the engine. All right. We're going to use that cover. And, all right. Didn't turn out too bad. On the bottom side, paint job looks pretty good. All right, so let's flip it over and pull some paper on that side. I meant to tell you that there has not been a winner on the t-shirt contest yet. So watch the video from, it'll be right up here somewhere. And watch that video for her first pull in the truck at the Centerville Raceway and guess her time. If it's posted, the time posted on the remarks on that video, that qualifies you for a chance to win the t-shirt. And it's whatever size it is, whichever one you want. I'll send it to you if I have it in stock. But you got to guess it you got to reply on the comments in that video. Hey, if you're here and you're watching, smash that like button right now. It's right down here somewhere. Smash it. Just hit the like button. The bastard child small block. I don't know what else to call it. I'm going to do everything that everybody says or I've ever been told not to do. Bearings didn't look terrible, but they didn't look great. But doesn't matter. Crank looked good. Rods look great. It's 2020. It's a 2020 crank with a 40 over bore on it. And we're just going to clean it up, put a couple parts in it, and we're going to see if we can blow the damn thing up. Because this is the next engine going in Old Tex. In my 78 short bed. So we'll clean up the pan. We'll clean up the timing cover. We'll get we'll get another can of paint. Let this percolate for a couple of days. I already got oil pump, pickup tube, gasket set, cam, timing chain, lifters, springs, locks, retainers. I got all the kits. I got them as cheap as I could. I mean, let me tell you, having a son works in O'Reilly's, you can get some parts really cheap. Okay, so I mean, you'd be shocked and amazed at the prices I got on some of this stuff. And so shocked and amazed at some of the prices that was even on his price was some of the things that have changed within the last 20 years. Like an oil pump pickup tube, which you used to be able to buy for $3.99, $4.99, is now $16, his cost. $16 for a pickup tube. Okay. I'm going to do some work on the heads. We're going to do a little bit of things that, like things that nobody likes doing that you shouldn't do, but that I have kind of done in the past. But basically, this thing is going together under $500. But I'm not doing anything with the crank, the rods, and the pistons. Those are the rotating assembly is what's staying in it. I'm just replacing some other parts. And the whole thing about it is that everything, if it does start up and it's knocking or it's doing whatever, or it doesn't hold oil pressure, or whatever it is, then I'm really not out anything besides a gasket set and an oil pump. That's it. Everything else can be reused. We're going to do everything wrong. You guys are going to be screaming to the screen about how I'm doing things wrong. I don't care, because I'm $0 in this basically. Everything I'm spending can be reused other places. So stay tuned, because I'm letting the paint dry. We're gonna flip it over. I'm gonna do some home decking, headwork, all kinds of stuff that you guys are not going to agree with, but I'm going to do it anyways. And we're going to see how long this thing lasts, because I've never had the opportunity to do this. Think about it. If you ever got the opportunity to just do something like you've always been told not to do and see if it actually works, this is a lot of fun. I'm actually having a good time with this already. So, all right. Any suggestions you guys would like to give me about this? No extra tools, no machine work done. We're just going to put this together. So if you like it, comment. I don't care. You're not going to hurt my feelings, because this is really kind of stupid. This is really kind of dumb. I'm kind of like doing this on the fly and just for fun, for shits and giggles. Well, the first thing we're going to do is we're just to do a thread tracing kit. Now, this kit that I have, I've had this long time. This is one of those original buys that I got from Summit way back in the day. And this is not a tapping kit. This is a thread chasing kit. And it's designed for you just to chase the threads. There's going to be old crud, dirt, whatever, debris. Since we didn't vat this is all that much more important to chase all these threads. And all we're doing, we're just cleaning old debris out of the holes. And you could actually use a tap and die T handle on this if you wanted to. I just never did. I just always use this tool by itself, and it's just a cleaner. One of the best investments I ever made. Summit still sells these. I don't know what the part number is, but I'll look on Amazon and I'll put a link up for this down below. But this is I'm going to do all these head bolts and all of the threads that I can reach right now. All of them, the pan gaskets, all of these in front, everything. I'm just going to chase the threads on everything just to make sure that everything is clean. Makes it go back together again easier. But see, that one was good enough. It just basically by hand works really well. And the kit, this is the original kit, and this is for a small and big block, and it'll cover pretty much everything that's on the engine. Everything. It's on a small block or big block. The size is here already in the kit. So if you're still here, like, share, subscribe, smash that button, hit that bell, tell your friends. All right, check out unclesbuckstuff.com. There's a t-shirt or hat. Check out, help support the channel.